Oh, it's kind of blocking. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Bad Unboxing. Today, I got some packages in the mail, so we're gonna open them up and see what's. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what's in these. Probably school supplies. I got these tweezers. I'm just gonna. No, it's gay. I use scissors. I have some Scotch skizzers. Oh hell yeah! Okay. Oh hell yeah! Got some. Oh fuck! Got some books. Okay. Mama Money Shot. Yeah. All right. Got some shit. Got a religion book. That's cool. What the fuck is this? The Other Wisps More. No idea what this is. Oh, The Other. It's just called The Other, but this is the author's name. That's pretty whack. Looks like shit. A Lesson Before Dying. This is probably a classic I don't know about. Next package. Oh, this one's lighter. This might be my mouse I ordered. No. It's just more garbage. Okay. Oh, it's two. Alright, we got a mouse. Oh, that's freaking tiny. I'll open that in a second. Another stupid school thing. Alright, let's open up this mouse. Nice. Check it. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Wireless mouse. Oh, and there's like a... I think you charge it with this. Do you have to charge it? Whack. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, it comes pre-charged. Whack. Last package. Got this thing. Comes in like a... Hi. What the? Oh! Joy-Con locks. Yeah, alright, so got a Joy-Con right here. Okay, see the Joy-Con? Got this button right here. This button controls like keeping the Joy-Con on the Switch. And there's like a little... We can't see it. It's like a little plastic lock right within the rail. And I just got some metal ones, so these are probably better. I'll put them in at some point. Okay, I was hoping I got like this cord thing, which would allow me to like take a USB and put it on my iPad, but whatever. I'm gonna pop one. No, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, I might use these. These might be good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Get out of here.